What is banging fam? I'm back again with another reaction video. So what I they can react to I hardly they do. I did Facebook where I just scroll where I chanced on this video, yo. Now this lady used Burna Boy's style to write on Kizz Daniel's Cough. Charlie. Are you ready? Make you listen to this, bro. Make you listen to this talent. Let's get it. Hey.
After the show we go Dubai. Make your body feel relaxed for my G-Wagon. You can spell it on me, baby, no jargon.
Just listen to her voice, bro. Just listen to her voice, bro. And how she's riding on the beat, man. God damn. Hey.
After the show we go Dubai. Make your body feel relaxed for my G-Wagon. You can spell it on me, baby, no jargon. I know that you got your eyes on me now, baby. I know that you got your eyes on me now, baby boo. You can put the center, you not taboo. Cause now only you don't go to shit your way. So they give up the pop.
Yeah, it be my only Odoguma. Yo, this girl is good. Who is she, bro? Who is this one, bro?
Got your eyes on me now, baby boo. You can put the center, you not taboo. Cause now only you don't go to shit your way. So they give up the pop, but she the shot at the Angelina, she be my only boo. She no fit to leave me up in Odogu. But you will show me the lenu. If I be gorilla, she you go be my zoo.
If I be gorilla, she go be my zoo. If I be gorilla, she go be my zoo. That's Burna Boy right there, yo. And it's a lady doing this, man. God damn.
Leave me up in Odogu. But you will show me the lenu. If I be gorilla, she you go be my zoo. Come to my room. My baby, what is happening? You are Burna.
Yo, this has to be the remix, man. Kizz Daniel, please. I don't know if it's possible because the lady was Burna Boy. I don't know if that would be possible, but yo, anything is possible in music. Please, Kizz Daniel. This should be the official remix to Cough. I'm taking this all the way back. I promise I won't interrupt. Let's enjoy this in peace. Yeah, I promise.
After the show we go Dubai. Make your body feel relaxed for my G-Wagon. You can spell it on me, baby, no jargon. I know that you got your eyes on me now, baby boo. You can put the center, you not taboo. Cause now only you don't go to shit your way. So they give up the pop, but she the shot at the Angelina, she be my only boo. She no fit to leave me up in Odogu. Until you will show me the lenu. If I be gorilla, she you go be my zoo, my woman. Come to my room. My baby, what is happening? You are Burna.
Hold on. Nah, bro. You are taking it back.
After the show we go Dubai. Make your body feel relaxed for my G-Wagon. You can spell it on me, baby, no jargon. I know that you got your eyes on me now, baby boo. You can put the center, you not taboo. Cause now only you don't go to shit your way. So they give up the pop, but she the shot at the Angelina, she be my only boo. She no fit to leave me up in Odogu. Until you will show me the lenu. If I be gorilla, she you go be my zoo, my woman. Come to my room. My baby, what is happening? You are Burna.
Oh my God. Nah, bro. If you don't agree that you have to agree, bro. You don't Come on, man. This has to be the remix, yo. For me, this is the remix to Odoyo. This is the remix to Odoyo, bro. This is it right here, man. Yo, please, who is this? I think her name. No, the name didn't come. Who is she? I think she said, yo, who is she, yo? Please, if you know this girl, please, what's her name? I have to check it out. Because this right here is talent, bro. Talent. Raw talent. Raw. God damn. I'm out.